She in the act. He said.
Hi man, how are you?
Deploy, sir! Hurry up! She got a runner! A sprinter track star! Yay! Jesus! Yay! Run it back!
Did you see like license or anything?
Oh!
Don Julio?
Don Julio make you Acapulco!
Don Julio make you Acapulco.
Hello, hey, you talking about how you made it? Hey, we on the same type of timery. Yo, what's poppin', GE gang? It's your boy Future. We are back with another banger reaction video. I hope you guys are enjoying the videos. Listen, I get a lot of comments of people asking me, hey, do more of these videos, do more of these videos. Listen, I'm gonna tell you guys, we have over 300, I believe, videos in a playlist. Go check out that body cam playlist. All the videos gonna be right there for you. Just go down that whole playlist, 300 videos for you. If you need time on your hands, you got time on your hands, or you at work and you want time going by slow, go pop on the playlist. Just go down the playlist. Got a lot of bangers, a lot of wiggery falling off, a lot of tasers. You know what I'm saying? That's for all my people that's always asking, do more videos. We've done them. We've got 300 videos typed in the playlist. So go tap into that. We're about to tap into a video. Police surprise Walmart shoplifter right on the spottery. I don't know what it is about Walmart, Sephora, Ulta, you know what I'm saying, Target. They act like these people ain't got a million cameras in there and they just want to try their luck, basically, I guess. It is what it is, okay? Before we get in this video, man, we got to check in our people's meepers, okay? So get down in the comment section 1 through 10. Let me know how you're doing mentally, emotionally, energetically, physically, psychologically, and most importantly, spiritually. Tap down in the comment section. We got a giveaway going down this Wednesday, 6 p.m. all the way till Monday, okay? 10 sweatshirts over on Twitch. If you don't have Twitch, I will link it down the first pinned comment. Go download Twitch, hit that link, it'll take you right to the channel. Follow your boy, okay? Do your math, do your homework. $35 sweatshirt, and we're giving away 10. Yeah. We'd like to get back to our people. I don't know about nobody else, but make sure you tap in, and yeah, we're gonna do that.
Our sergeant told us to come, so he's on the other side.
She in the act. He said.
Hi man, how are you? You gonna mind walking up here with us real quick?
He definitely looks suspicious with that backpack.
Grab her arm. Let me see. Okay. So right now you are just being detained, okay? Oh, fuck. 6 and forward, 1026.
I mean, she being hella quiet. She ain't
Walk up to the loss prevention.
screaming. She ain't nothing.
So I keep going to walk to the best. No, you're good. You're good. You can go this way.
Why is everybody reading for blood?
I don't know. Probably because there was no in-talks person the other day. Alright, go ahead and take a seat for us. Miss Bethany, you want to prosecute? Alright. Do you have an ID on you? No, ma'am.
You never got no
Take anything out of your
IDs.
pockets, okay? Stand up for me. Go ahead and make sure you don't have any whatever's on her. Take your face back off and all that fun stuff. I'm gonna put this from you. Okay. And bag. Yeah, hold on 1 second. Okay. You just search her.
She hella polite, man. What's going on, baby?
Thing, so I was like, we were gonna go to the lady with no clothes on.
That'll be interesting to see what that is.
Yeah. But I wonder if they meant like no shirt physically, but she had a bra or something. You have what? Pockets down there.
Somebody stole her shirt.
Do you have anything in your bra? Okay, I'm gonna grab it and pull it, okay? Okay.
I'll turn around. What is it?
Go ahead and have a seat here for me.
What is it?
T-shirts.
So he said, shoot. She is in custody, so anything you're gonna ask her, make sure you read my hand, okay? Especially if it's anything about this case. I mean, she's got all kinds of stuff, so we're probably gonna want to ask about all of it.
Bunch of lighters.
So what do you have? You start handing me out of him?
Yeah, sorry, hold on.
Baby, why you need so many lighters for, Elijah?
There's Walmart bags.
Okay, I'm gonna read you something, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have a right to a lawyer. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. Even if you don't want a lawyer now and agree to talk with us, you can at any time change your mind and ask for a lawyer or stop talking with us. Do you understand each of these rights as I have explained them to you? Having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to us? Okay.
Got any questions?
Should we talk?
I just have to get this, and I'll give you a...
We gave it to him. Yep.
So,
Didn't you get her name?
What's your name?
H. H-A. Schools, S-E.
What's your birthday?
300.
What's a phone number for you?
So do I give you this one or...
Just give me your personal phone number.
Okay. 340.
She giving up her social, baby. We don't doing that. We not doing that.
Yes. I think she's already...
You already borrowed from here? Sure. So you're also going to get criminal trespass. Do you want to start the borrowing over from today, though? Okay.
Damn.
And you got a warrant out of Clark County.
I got a warrant.
Mm-hmm.
How?
For shoplifting.
It's today.
No, that ain't
somebody
today.
took a warrant out of you for a previous shopping.
Yeah, you got a warrant for shoplifting.
Oh, baby, this is what you do. You know what I'm saying? How diabolical. You go on a shoplift and you have a warrant for shoplifting, baby. Now, I will give you one thing. I haven't heard you say, don't touch me. I didn't steal nothing. Can I pay for it after I got caught stealing? I'm pregnant. My kid's in the car. I got kids at home. I ain't heard none of the norm. You know what I'm saying? So shout out to you for that. But shoplifting, while having a warrant for shoplifting, is diabolical, baby. I ain't gonna lie to you. I like your demeanor, though. Like, you cool. You knew you got caught. You know what I'm saying?
So, if the judge signed it, that means, like, that's missing court or something.
No, so somebody probably
That's the
saw
part
it.
that's here.
Basically.
So if they've caught you on video, and they call officers out here to do a report, and somebody recognizes you,
Stuart,
they can go sign warrants on you. And then when we get out with you, that's when you're like, oh, you shoplifted on this day. You should have.
So that just happens to...
This is some other time. There's a warrant that was issued for your arrest.
Damn.
So, did you hear that return?
Yeah.
You already got warrants for shoplifting.
Uh-huh. We're clear.
10-4, we're clear.
So it was $22, Beth? Am I reading that correct?
$3.88. We don't do the tax.
Gotcha, okay. So 28.
Don't do tax?
Like your nails.
Oh, they don't. Okay. Well, shit, they don't do.
It will tell you.
So I'm assuming, I'm not. It's a state that doesn't do tax. I'm assuming when they get caught stealing and they ring it up, they don't do tax on it. They just ring it up for whatever the price is. That's what I'm assuming she's talking about when she said no tax. I'm like, hold up, what state you in? Oregon? So no, it's not that. It's just they don't. When they add up all the items, they don't ring it all up and then throw tax on it and then give that total. It's just the actual product and what the price is before tax.
Well, not y'all. Whenever I go, I have to ask somebody else, like when I get to jail.
Like where the warrant was
Yeah.
from? I'm sure on the warrant, it'll say it on the warrant where, yeah. When they have to,
Okay.
you could ask them and they'll be able to tell you. We just don't know. Because I don't have the warrant in hand. They just tell us that you have it and that it's been confirmed. So you can go look for it. Perfect. While you're out there, can you see if the criminal history is there yet?
Okay. So if I overheard y'all say, if it's after 3.
Yeah, have you been convicted of shoplifting before?
So he was saying convicted as in going to court
And they're saying you were guilty, yes.
I'm on probation for 1 right now. Just
Okay.
1. The other one, I haven't went to court and taken any plea deal for
Okay,
that.
so it has to be convictions. So that means, like you said, like you've pled to it. You said I'm guilty of this. If there's 3, you become a felon. It becomes a felony, even if it's 25 cents that you stole. Now, if you have 12 pending, you know what I mean. When you go to court, they could bump it to a felon. You know what I mean, like because you're a repeat offender at that point. But that'll be up to the solicitor's office and stuff like that, not us. So.
Okay, I'm
Yeah, so we'll check it. We have a criminal history, so that shows us everything that you've ever been arrested for, speeding ticket, anything. So we'll see if there's 3 or more convictions. This will be a felony today, and it'll be a felony charge.
Dang.
So what's gonna happen? Well, you're catching
a new charge.
2 more charges. You're getting shoplifting again.
Mm-hmm.
You're getting the trespass. You're going on your warrant, which is gonna violate your probation. So,
And I'm supposed to.
because you don't have a probation violation yet because of the fact that they just signed the warrant. So once they see that you've been in jail, they're going to violate your probation. So you'll probably end up sitting there too for that. If not, you might get out and then probably go right back for the probation violation. So it just depends on if your probation officer catches it.
What's our address here? What's the number?
What's it?
4375.
4375 Lexington Road. You have any kids or anything?
No, man.
Okay.
First one was December 12th. No, December 1st, 25 at TJ Maxx.
24
Yes, 24.
December?
Signed.
So
at
why-
TJ Maxx.
If it was December, why did my probation officer say nothing? I
Because you have
So
to
he
arrest.
just signed them on January,
okay.
6th.
Okay.
or maybe even.
Well, you didn't, but she
March
doesn't have a probation violation, so
Where?
her
He signed
probation
them
doesn't
on
know.
March
Where were
6th.
you born?
After the
So they were signed on March 6th, a week ago.
So you have 3 warrants for shoplifting.
Well, 2
Damn.
shoplifting, 1 for the trespass.
So any convictions?
Okay, I think it's
Sure.
Sorry, can you step out there when she's doing this?
2 previous convictions.
So actual convictions, but she's got like 12 pending. She said
has-
9 times here, at least. There you go, man.
Thank you.
All right, let's go ahead and get her out to the jail. We'll sign that when we get to the jail too. You ready? Yep. Did you hear that? Yeah, I did. But all right, you don't have anything on you, right? We already searched her. Let me just double check. That note. Yep. All right, go ahead and take a seat for me. All right. This is
State court?
Yep, you put state court. I fixed it. Perfect. Can we grab that and get her?
Alright.
Yeah, I'm gonna say something about that. That's disgusting. So it could be the warrant from that. You see what I mean? It might not be a new warrant. It's probably just a warrant due to that situation. You see what I mean? No, tell her what you did. Accountability, right?
I was doing it wrong.
Come on. And she's barred from Walmart.
They
for
know her.
stealing already. Come on. All right. The ABR. Thank you. I just draw a blank. Oh, I'm sorry. Here's her stuff. Oh, and instead of getting her to sign this, you'll just write in custody here. Or you could wait until she's done and you can let her sign it when she takes her cuffs off.
Custody on it.
And then she said she was on probation. Does she not have a license?
No.
You don't have one at all? But you have, okay.
Criminal trespass. Yikes, baby. That's thieving, shoplifting ain't your thing, baby. You've been caught 24 times. You feel me? Like, and you got multiple warrants. Bro, you got a lot going on. Shoplifting, you got to cut it out, okay? I feel sorry for you because this is one of the calmest arrests that I've ever seen, especially at a Walmart. It goes down, okay? So I have empathy for you because I don't know why you're doing it, but I hope you figure this shit out. But you know, you're going to get so many chances before, like I said, shit turns into felony and then shit just goes downhill from there. You know what I'm saying? So you get your opportunities. Hopefully somebody comes into your life, you know what I'm saying, and points you in a better direction and just has a real conversation, real talk with you. Because you don't seem like a bad person. You don't seem like you a person just you know what I'm saying, that likes confrontation, that just wants to blame everybody for why you're doing it. You took some accountability. You got shoplifting and caught 24 times, basically. I think it's like 13, whatever the fuck it was. But it's not your thing. Move on to something else. Now it's, you know, God, I'm sorry. I've been caught every time. You tell me time and time again, this is not your thing. Cut it out. You better than this. Sometimes you gotta listen. You gotta listen to God, baby. Chill out. Do your time. Get off probation, and go work at the damn store instead of stealing it, bro. Like what? Tell out the comment section. Let me know what you think about this. So this is the most common arrest. I ain't gonna lie to you. Let me know what you think about it. You guys empty for it? Like, I just want you guys' opinions. Tap down in the comment section. We're gonna keep on turning up. Keep on sending me the videos at Fushnik_ENT. Follow me over there. Send me a link to a video. We're gonna tap into it. Follow me on Snapchat at Fushnika. And make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hype the videos, baby. We on. I'm about to blow you guys out the water with videos. Like, we about to really turn up, and we have a giveaway going down on Twitch, man. Listen, we're all over the place. We're just all over the place, and we give back on every platform that we go over to because I appreciate my people's time, because I know you don't have to be here, but you're here. Okay, whether I make you laugh or whether, you know what I'm saying, you like the real conversation that we have, and you might have needed to hear that. I don't care. You guys don't have to be on Twitch. You guys don't have to watch me on YouTube. You don't have to watch the videos on Facebook. You don't have to watch my Instagram stories, but you do. So the only way I know how to show my love back is to do my giveaway. So we got a giveaway going down on Twitch. We have to have 75 people in the stream 6 days in a row, or 6 streams in a row, which we're going to do 6 or 7 in a row, and we're giving away 10 sweatshirts. Do the math, 10 times 35, okay? I don't complain about the money. I don't complain about nothing. I just do what I need to do, and I appreciate you guys for that, okay? It's your boy Fushnika. Catch you guys in the next video. Stay stress-free, and if you're stressed, come watch one of our videos, baby, and go watch some of the old ones that you know to make you laugh, like the girls that, the girls that stole a pizza, and the big girls had the onesie on. She was like 450 pounds. Oh, and we went in on her, okay? It's your boy Fishing. I love y'all like I love me. I'm out this bitch.